Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to utilize the camera tracking feature in CapCut. So initially, what you're going to want to do is have your clip in the timeline and then have your clip that you want to track. And as you can see, the frame fits exactly where it's supposed to be. But when you add tracking to it, it's going to zoom out or zoom in. So what you're going to want to do is zoom in a little bit into your frame, right? So that there's space for the camera tracking to move. And now you're going to go up to video with the clip selected, scroll down. So from here, you scroll down to find camera tracking. And now you can choose either to track the face, the body, or the hand. For this video, the hand works best. And all you have to do is click start and it's going to render. And it usually takes, 1 to 5 to 3 to 7 seconds. So now let's take a look. It's tracking my sister's hands. And there you have it. For other videos, it works better for, let's say, to track the face. If it's like a faraway shot and the person is dancing, the tracking on that is a lot better. For, let's say, the body, if the camera is moving very smoothly along someone who's, like, let's say, running, that works very well. The hand, as you can see here, we utilized it. So if you guys found this video helpful, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.